So I am go ahead and pick is a small amount. Remember, the Glitz condensed glue gels is 6 density, so you don't need a whole lot to outlines on unless you're doing a big crystal. But you remember that you can able to add more of condensed glue gel just in case you need more. You can definitely add more if you need to. And also, you don't want to do it too much. You also don't want to do too little. Too much is going to flood your crystal. Too little is not going to adhere to your crystal. You see that how I spread the bristle is? So then that way, make sure these condensed glue gels will spread evenly. And then we'll go ahead and apply the no wipe top coat right on the top of the unclear condensed glue gel. So then what it does, the purpose of it, it will be double secure on the base of your crystal. Scrap your crystal even like stronger. And the second one to finish is gonna completely finish and done, so you don't have any of a sticky tacky layer running around your crystals at all. So then it not only holds your crystal, but it's gonna really bring out the sparkle and the shines of your crystal placement, because you don't want to add to finish and then go in and apply all of your top coat on it. And with two of them are compatible, and it's really nice of a special bond and adheres your crystal beautiful. So there's so many different ways to do with this crystal. You can either do along with your veinings, or you can definitely just doing it like a cute centerpiece on it, however you would like. So I'm gonna probably do this one. Maybe I should do a yellow. Oh, see, so many ideas. Whenever I have any of, oh my gosh, I want this one. How about that?
It's cute.
Like contrast. But I don't want to take it away.
You can do green. Green pop nicely. Dark
Oh
green.
Yeah.
And dark green.
Oh my god, look at that.
Huh?
Nope. No.
You can do darker green.
Pink. You know what? Sometimes you have the same feeling, and say, I want this. But then you know that you want something totally different. Oh, I didn't realize that. You can do the green too. I'm putting a frame on it. Hey, just let you know, you can stop at any point. You don't have to add a crystal on. Absolutely do not. But also, you can add the crystal on to add more. I love it. I haven't get chance to do the crystal designs for you in last few days. But you know, we can do so many. And I love each of the crystal kits. It has such a really good amount of the crystals, and it's go from a size SS3 all the way to SS16. Hey, do you know, looks like a tulip though. See that?
Yes, a red tulip with some really fancy root.
Look at that, make it completely flowers for you. All right, you can always add it more if you prefer, and you will never go wrong with this. It's really cool. It's really interesting. All right, it has thousands of frame and the beads you can work on. I might have to scoop this one out though. You think? Oh my gosh, I love this.
That looks super nice.
Okay. I might use my nails. This is my kit, so. And this one right there. here's a tip and trick for you to do for all of you who just first start and you're not sure how you can able to do crystal. All you need to do is after you apply the condensed glue gels and then no wet top coat, following up with the crystal, you can place the centerpieces. So at first you are picking a centerpiece. Remember that I look all to this centerpieces and said, which one? And you can place any, literally you can put it on the top of the frame, or you can do it without the frame, and then start placing any of a shape of exquisite shape that you like around with yours centerpiece. Always go around with the centerpiece, unless you want to do something totally different like I did several times, randomly spontaneous. But if you want to do is as the really designs, you can start with the centerpieces first, and then you place with the different shape around. There's like 20 different shape, like 16, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 different shape. And then this is a collection, the series one, I mean the kids number 1, kids number 2. So you have like over 20 different shape that you can select and choose from, and you can pretty much like really pair them so well together. You will never go wrong with this. All right, you can continue on and on and on. I might do a couple more. And then we're going to do this one with crystal and the other ones without crystal. Or can do crystals as well. One more. And then after you do the centerpiece, and then you are going to add another shape on, and the rest is you can add the filler on, which is I adding the filler as S3 on right now. You can add the filler on, or you can leave it alone. Add some beads on as you prefer. So really limitless of what you can create with. And ooh, see? So now you can add some beads on. I'm going to add just a couple beads on this one. And if you decide to add some beads, here's the best place to add the beads on. Add the beads on right between your crystals and your crystals, between crystal and crystal, or crystal and charm. So a lot of clients don't like beads. Fine. A lot of clients also love beads because they want to get it like more of jewelry looks on their nails. So you can able to have like variety of idea for your clients. All right, so it looks fabulous and great. So before you cure, check, make sure that it need to be, if the centerpiece a little bit crooked, you can adjusting it to the way you want it before you are going to cure. So add more, remove, or whatever. Look fabulous. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and cure for 60 seconds. It looks good. You still able to see a lot of cute fusioning.